guys, it's Erin aka StrawberriChan and I'm back with another video. And it's not a spooky box unboxing, it's not a Killstar unboxing, it's something that is completely new to the channel, and that is a box of GOTH. Now I've seen a couple of smaller spooktubers do little unboxings of these, and I thought it was so cute. It's very small and compact, and yeah, so Box of GOTH is actually a subscription box service, but I actually bought one of their past boxes to review on my channel just because they are small and they weren't charging a lot for just like per box, like if you just wanted to buy a singular. So, and I really can't afford 2 subscription boxes at a time, so I got a little box of GOTH, and I might review another one. I've got one from Occult Box which I'm going to review too, just after I just bought the Valentine's one. I didn't subscribe them or anything. So yeah, so as you can see, it's in a coffin shape, which I'm already loving. I could use this to store like jewellery in and things, and I think that's like really nice. So let's open it. So just let's do this carefully. I'm going to do it to the camera. Ooh. Okay, so we have a few things. We have some incense. This is frankincense scented. Can't really smell it, but it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be frankincense, and I know frankincense from Christmas, so I don't know. Yeah, but it has some instructions here, so I'm just gonna get the instructions out and see what the instructions say. Frankincense resin. Frankincense is one of the oldest documented magical resins. In modern magical traditions, frankincense is often used as a purifier to cleanse a sacred space. It is believed that the vibrations of energies frankincense are particularly powerful. Most people mix frankincense with other herbs to give them a magical boost. Frankincense, I'm giving you a little history lesson here. So frankincense makes perfect incense during meditation, energy work, chakra exercises, and such as opening the third eye. In some beliefs, frankincense is associated with good fortune in business. Carry a few bits of resin in your pocket when you go to business meetings or interview work. Okay, so it tells you how to burn your resin, and it says you need like a hot charcoal disc, or something like a when using charcoal discs, using tongs and stuff. So it does come with instructions, but I had little history lessons. You know, I'm really into like witchcraft and stuff, and I would love to like learn about it more, and like, don't worry, I'm not going to hex anyone or anything, but I've always like collected like spell books and that if I see one in a shop that isn't that expensive, and I like reading them, and it's just interesting, like all the different gods and stuff. But yeah, got some frankincense resin. So we have a patch. This is the Spellman Mortuary patch. Now if you don't know what that is off, it's off Sabrina. And it's also off the Chilling Adventures of Sabrina, which is one of my favourite shows. It's one of the coolest shows that I'm into at the minute. And it's really, I really like the sort of classic print. I'm making a battle jacket at the minute, but I might put that on a different jacket. But that is really cool. I'll keep that for like a different jacket. We have some incense cones. Now I don't know what an incense cone is. I guess it's like an incense burner. And these are the dragon blood scented. Dragons are the most powerful mythical creatures and are believed to have supernatural powers and great wisdom. So I'm not going to take them out. I just want to have a smell, see if you can smell them. Ooh, you can smell them. They smell so strong. Oh my god, they smell so good. Ooh, I like that. So yeah, I don't know how you use these. So place away from flammable material, light in a well elevated area, store, burn out of reach from pets or children. Never leave incense burning unattended. Seek professional advice before using if pregnant or have respiratory problems. So we have we've gotten a lot of like smelly things, which I wasn't expecting actually, because I didn't know little box of GOTH would do like sort of this kind of stuff. We have a little scrolly scroll. Let's have a look, and I really like the ribbon it's in. Ooh, so it's a little piece of art. We are the granddaughters of witches you couldn't burn. I've seen that on it's a little art piece that I'm going to put up on my wall. It's really pretty. I like the colors. It looks like it's colored in pencil, but that's really pretty. I like that. I like the colors. Tag yourself what witch you are. So this is a pressed metallic face pigment, and drop the shade. I don't know what color it is, but we have some pressed pigment. I think you can use it on your face. Is it like makeup? Ooh. So this is it here, and it's this it's an eyeshadow, and it is in this nice sort of shiny purple color, which I'll hold up to the camera so you can see. It's a nice metallic purple color, which is really pretty. And we have this tiny little broom. I don't know, this is quite cute. I don't know where I'm going to put this. It's quite cute. I might put it like on with like, I've actually got a Witch Pop vinyl from Nightmare Before Christmas, so I might put it there. So we have a little pentagram necklace, which is really cute. I like the pastel color, so I'll hold the pastel thing it's on. I'll just hold that up to the camera so you can see. That's so cute, and I really like that. That's really pretty. And yeah, I have the and it's on a little chain, which is very easy for me. But yeah, a nice cute little necklace. Oh yay, earrings. I can't wear, unfortunately I can't wear earrings because I don't have my ears pierced, but I'll probably gift them to my mom because she has her ears pierced. But we are the protectors of the innocent. We are known as the Charmed ones. Oh yeah, it's a symbol from Charmed. I haven't watched that show since forever. Some candles. These are prosperity spell candles. So we have some candles. I don't know where I'm going to put these, but I really like the color of them. So prosperity spell candles. The witch believe. Oh, it's a little so this is a little bracelet with a little witch on it. That's cute. I like cute little things like that. But again, I don't know where I'm going to put this. Use these candles for $16.92. Nice. I like that. So we have a necklace. Sorry, I'm like just picking everything up because everything's really small and easy. So I'm going to move everything that I take out. I'm just moving to the back. So we have this tiny little crystal here. It's really pretty though. It's like, I like the sort of, I'm just going to hold it up to the camera. I really like the print. It looks like bats, and it has a little note in here. So we'll have a look. So this stone is called Snowflake Obsidian. Ooh, I like that. Snowflake Obsidian is a stone of purity that brings balance to the body, mind, and spirit. Snowflake Obsidian can remove negativity from space or person with ease. Volcanic in origin, Snowflake Obsidian helps draw emotions to the surface to examine harmful thought patterns. Oh, I like how we're getting a mini history lesson with all of these. But yeah, so that's some Snowflake Obsidian. It's so pretty. Like, I really like that. Like, it's got like little cracks in it and everything. I really like that. So we have, oh my god, yes. So we have a Hocus Pocus enamel pin, which is really cute. This is I Smell Children. That's off Hocus Pocus. I really like that. I haven't watched Hocus Pocus in ages. I think the last time I watched it was when I was younger. But we also have, the Winfred little thing as well. I really like that. They've really put a lot in here for like such a small box. And we also have a sticker that says "We are the weirdos, mister," which is from The Craft. Again, one of my favorite films. So this box has a lot in. Like, I've gone on a little trip of like what the hell was in the box. But it's so cool, like how much stuff you can get inside just one little box. I'm definitely interested. I might review another one of their boxes, but I really like it. It's just very interesting, and like there's so much stuff in here that I didn't expect. I thought it was just going to be all like pastel witch aesthetic stuff, but no, they actually have like some actual stuff you can use for witchcraft, which is pretty cool. So yeah guys, that was the GOTH box. If you are interested, please go check them out. They have a subscription box service if you do want to subscribe to them. A bunch of other stuff. And yeah, if you like the video, please give it a like. That'd be awesome. If you love it, if you'd love the video, please subscribe to the channel, as it really does help me out. And if you don't like it, poo you! Why are you watching the video? Go eat Pocky and smile! So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next video, which is coming out soon, so I'll see you in a bit. Bye bye!